New tonight, the vote on President Donald Trump's health care plan has now been pushed to tomorrow. The White House and Republican holdouts could not reach a deal. Now, of the 24 million people who would lose coverage over the next decade under this plan, Colorado Congresswoman Diana DeGette says women would be affected most. Denver 7's Jackie Crea spoke to her about the impact on Colorado women.
If this new health care bill passes, Planned Parenthood and the services it provides will go away. That's just one of the many ways women will be affected. The spokesperson here tells me more than 22,000 women here in Colorado use their Medicaid to get the services they need. Denver's Congresswoman Diana DeGette says women are at the most risk if Congress repeals the Affordable Care Act because it could take away access to prenatal, maternity, birth control, and more services for women. It could also end Medicaid expansion by 2020 and defund Planned Parenthood. For many women, these services go hand in hand.
For a woman who's on Medicaid who has to choose between putting gas in her car to go to work or using a form of birth control that she chooses, she may have to make some difficult decisions without being covered by Medicaid.
Data shows for every dollar spent by the federal government on family planning, the state of Colorado saves 7. Congresswoman DeGette says she hopes her Republican colleagues realize this state by state. With Medicaid at risk, another rollback that's part of this bill, new mothers would only get 60 days before having to go back to work or risk losing coverage for themselves and their newborns.
So you have a baby, 2 months later you have to leave that baby. The baby may need health care. The mother may not be ready to go back. It just seems very draconian, and it seems to be a real hit against women.
For now, the vote on the bill is at a halt, but President Trump has said he is committed to investing in women's health and plans to significantly increase federal funding in support of non-abortion services. It's unclear how that would pan out. Jackie Crea, Denver 7.